Whenever I travel, I make sure to only bring the essentials. And that's why when I went to Vegas last week for CES, I brought along the new BB550 bidet toilet seat from Bidet by Bemis. Just because I'm traveling doesn't mean I have to live like a savage. And someone's going to give me a hard time for being down on my hands and knees and working on a toilet in a Vegas hotel room, but guess what? I'm certainly not the first person to be on their hands and knees in front of a toilet in Las Vegas, and I'm definitely not going to be the last. And fortunately, it's such an easy install, I only had to bring a couple tools to get it done. Now, some people might think this is overkill, but once you live that bidet life and realize how much better it is, it's just hard to go back. You've got adjustable heated seat, heated water, included dryer, both front and rear wash for our lady friends, adjustable water pressure, you name it. The only thing about this install is I had to have a little bit of an extension cord to reach the closest GFCI, but other than that, we're good to go. So let's go check out CES. If you're not familiar with CES, it stands for Consumer Electronics Show, and it's basically a massive trade show for all things tech. Whether it's for the home, commercial, automotive, if it's got a chip, a battery, or it plugs in, it's here. This is my first time here, and I can definitely say that it's not for people with social anxiety because it is crowded as heck. There's some really interesting stuff here, some that may be the future and some that might just be huge gimmicks. But I'm here for one thing in particular, and that's the future of toilet tech. Bidet by Bemis is here to show off some of their popular bidet seats, including the Discovery DLS with proximity sensing lids. And I chatted with my guy Spencer about the new Bemis Living app that's coming out this year that's going to allow you to use your phone as your remote for your bidet, so you don't have to have a complex remote. It'll allow you to control all the settings on your bidet and save custom presets so you can have exactly the clean that you're looking for. So all in all, there's some really cool stuff that's coming out. So if you haven't jumped on the bidet train yet, I highly recommend it. Now it's time to head back to the hotel room and do my business in peace, unlike the other fools using the cattle stalls on the show floor. So that I was fresh and clean to head out and check out more of CES and wander around Vegas for a couple days before it was time to head out. So I just uninstalled the bidet, popped it back in the suitcase, good to go. I want to say a quick thank you to Bidet by Bemis for bringing me out to Vegas to check out CES for the first time. If you guys are on the fence about trying a bidet, get over the fear and just dive in. It'll be well worth it, and you'll wonder why it took you so long. But for now, peace out, Vegas. Catch you on the next one.